As a stay-at-home mom, as a wife, as a content creator, and as a businesswoman, it means say I go dey always dey on the lookout for things wey go make my life better because I'm always on the move. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I have been able to make 150,000 naira passively just by using this particular app. Whether you're talking about airtime purchases, internet data, TV subscriptions, electricity top-ups, Dodo Pay app has got you covered. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how the Dodo Pay app has made my life sweet, just like Dodo. Hello beautiful people, I go by the name Dyna Ekwueme, and I'm here to bring you my favorite digital payment platform. This video is proudly sponsored by Dodo Pay. If you're all that I mentioned in the beginning of this video and more, you gonna say urgent 2K is not enough. What can you do with urgent 2K? Urgent 2K is never enough. Sometimes all it takes is more than 10K, 20K. I beg, borrow me 50,000, borrow me 100,000 so that I can sort out some mishap. I can sort out some miscellaneous. We all have been there. And sincerely, you do not want to find yourself in that situation where you're doing useless borrowings. Let's just be there. There are some borrows will make sense, and there are some that just why did I even borrow this kind of borrow? You get. Now let's talk about Dodo Pay. Most of you are highly interested in knowing how am I supposed to make 150,000 from just using a Nigerian app. Wait a minute, all you need is a phone number. Have your phone number, have a phone, of course. Go to your Google Play Store or your App Store, type in Dodo Pay, download the app and sign up. With Dodo Pay, you can send and receive money. If you're sending and receiving Dodo, it's a good, just this sweet now because there are no fees attached, no bank charges, none of that. You can absolutely send money to Nigerians in diaspora. You can send money to anyone in the US, UK, European countries. All the countries currently displayed on the screen, Dodo Pay is available to Nigerians everywhere. Not just sending and receiving money, you can buy data using Dodo Pay app. You can also pay for your electricity bill, internet subscription, whatsoever it may be, whether you're using GoTV, DSTV, you can absolutely use Dodo app for all of that. The thing I found most beneficial about this app is the fact that the more I use it to do all of these transactions, all of these payments, all of these Dodo to Dodo transfer, you are building up your credit points, and that's where the 150,000 loan that I borrowed from the app. Because sincerely, there are sometimes I'm gonna wait for YouTube Pay like this, and I know say if body don't enter my savings, I know they touch am. I need to loan. I need to carry money from somewhere, and make we just come out and be straight. Shame no go allow me to just be borrowing unnecessary borrows from anybody, and that's the reason why Dodo Pay has been a lifetime savior. Trust me, the more you use the app, the more you build up your credit points. And once you get to that 100% credit point or more, feel free to borrow your 150K. Whatsoever amount you need urgently, you are highly eligible to borrow. And the amazing thing is that they are not here doing uncle, when are you going to pay us, or attaching collateral, or telling you, oh, interest upon interest, oh, come and fill this paper, long documents. No. Once you borrow, nobody they disturb you. Their own is after 90 days pay back. Even if you don't have to pay back, say you borrowed 150,000, you don't need to wait until the 90th day to pay the whole 150,000. You can just slowly pay it jejely until the 90th day. Isn't that amazing? All you need to do is just access the direct link in the description area of this video. Click on that link to download and get wiring Dodo to Dodo. Tell your friends about it. If you have family members, which as a matter of fact, Dynamite family, you people are all my family members, and that's why I'm just preaching this gospel. I'm sharing this good news with you guys. Sign up and let's just get doing giveaway. If you want to do transfer at once to a whole lot of people, everything is just made easy. Instantly the person will get it. Transfers with this particular app is not limited to Dodo and Dodo. The reason why I've just been hammering on the Dodo is that it's just free, no charging, no nothing, no long just back down, the person will get it straight up. You can make transfers to local banks in Nigeria, South Africa, Ghana, United States, UK, European regions, name it, instantly. If you're a Nigerian in diaspora, just download the Dodo Pay app and get transferring. Those of you who have been here say, you see only diasporas that are always transferring to us. How do we transfer to people abroad? Now you have the solution. No. Now you have it. That your friend, family member, whosoever it may be, just tell them to kukuma download the app. You can also make instant transfers to mobile money wallets in Ghana, Uganda, Kenya, Rwanda, and Zambia using the mobile wallets that I've just displayed on the screen. So get transferring. What are you waiting for? Dodo Pay app is that digital payment platform that allows you take loans to just sort out yourself. Not just that, you can make money via all the bill payments that you're doing with the app. 2% cash back instantly. You'll get it for the money, no matter the amount, whether you're paying for electricity top up. 2% cashback. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that an amazing way to make money on the side while still actively doing whatever you want to do with the app? It's not that it's useless for you. You're still using it to do what you do on a normal day. Instead of you stressing, this DSTV office, I don't know, this one is raining, will I go? Or you start thinking, I have an app for this, for paying for this one, for paying for that one, for buying airtime. Do everything in one and still make money. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the app. Have you signed up? Have you registered? Have you clicked the link in the description area to check it out? Let me know what your thoughts are about it. And yeah, choose today to make your life, the life of your family members, the life of your friends to be just as sweet as the Dodo Pay app. Make sure to give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. For now, bye.